Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on the show as pop-up option for posts from people you follow on the X app. This quick setting ensures you never miss important updates, and they'll appear instantly on your screen as a pop-up. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all of your app and system preferences are managed. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps, then tap on it. Next, from your list of installed apps, find and select the X app. This is where we'll be adjusting the notification settings specifically for X. Once you've tapped on it, you'll see several different options. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. Now, inside the Notifications menu, look for Notification Categories. This is where the app breaks down different types of alerts it can send, so you can control them separately. On that list, you'll find an option labeled Posts from people you follow. Tap on that. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch for Show as pop-up. Simply turn this on, and just like that, posts from the people you follow will now appear on your screen in real time as pop-ups, keeping you updated without having to constantly check the app yourself. This setting is especially helpful if you want to stay connected with creators, friends, or accounts you really care about. Instead of your notifications staying hidden in the background, you'll get them front and center, exactly when they happen. To recap quickly, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, select the X app, head into Notifications, choose Notification Categories, tap on Posts from people you follow, and then toggle on Show as pop-up. That's it. You're all set. Now you'll always be the first to know whenever someone you follow posts something new. Thanks for watching.